Okay, this is Animal Paradise. We are here. We want to spray these goats. We're spraying them today. Get away. Shh. 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 Enough food? Okay, that's just kind of half. Okay, come. Help me stand in this door. Make them not escape. Okay, we are here at Animal Paradise. Today is Saturday. I mean, my battery is going down. Today is Saturday. We want to spray them today. We are mixing the chemical to spray them. We have a chemical we are using that has been giving us results. There are a lot of chemicals in the market, but the one that have been giving us results is the one we are using. It's the one we are using. This guy was on quarantine since we brought him out. I don't know. He's always dull, acting dull, one kind. Okay, did you give it Oxitec? This goat I said should return to this place today. Did you give him anything?
Yes.
What did you give him that time? Oxitec, Abi? Okay. It will be okay. He's acting dull. I think it's a miscarriage you get. Oh.
That's what I suspect.
I think so. The way they look down one place. Tomorrow, see me give all this tells it again 1 meal.
Okay.
Oh yeah, now Usman, come on now. Okay, more chase them enter first. Abi? More chase them enter here before go on now. They've not swept this morning. They're going to sweep later. Now they go out. We use 3 jerry cans in spray. 1, 2. The other one is outside. Oh yeah, for sure all of them. Go join her. I will stand here. Don't worry, I'll be here. Everybody stand behind the goat. Everybody will be behind the goat. Make noise, make noise. Hey! Go inside.
Hey, go inside. Ah!
Yes, if you don't make noise like that, they'll not mind you.
Oh yeah.
Itu. You see these ones with green and red tag. Count all of them for me. Let me know how many is remaining. Oh yeah, they go small, small. You too, they could invest, Usman. Oh yeah, pursue them. Make noise. Make the entire inside house. Everybody go inside. Hey! Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. What are you doing? Come on, run away from there. Come stand here. Come stand here. They don't come this side. First wait. Oga, you two wait. Just wait. Let's get this ones inside. Sharp.
Hey.
Go inside.
Oh yeah.
This goat is very stubborn. You know they obey. Yes, you know they obey. Oh yeah, somebody stand at that door. Usman, go pursue that one. Come. That one. This one, so. Cash and come for me. You want to take selfie? You want to take selfie? You want to take selfie? He's looking at camera. No, block that door. You live there. When you enter. Stand there on time quickly. Okay. Now you go spray. Oh. Come on now. Smile too. You stand here. See, under this place, come touch and one round board there. There, one round thing there. Round. You go press on many times. Press on. Till you go see fuel flow. If fuel don't flow, then you go carry this one come up. Light not the choke on. You know how to want generator now? Choke on. Oh yeah, start time.
Hey, still the fan way make you go out.
Oh yeah, carry that thing go down. Now there you forgive and fire now. You don't know where to fire now. The other side. Even though the other side, get fire from them. See the fire. Go raise them. Go raise them. Come up. Come. The guy is a loud reach. Not the well. No, hey, you the spray them, the pop ahead. Hey, go back. How so? Hey. No, it's not a problem. Can you video me? Video me as well, make capture always. No, stay. Anyone escape, don't worry.
Let go now, just there. Allez, ben vous. Ouais, bah.
it's still videoing. We have sprayed them one time. We want to reload again. The chemical has finished, so we want to reload and spray them again. And sometimes we spray them 3 times, but today I think it's 2 times we are going to do. Yeah, because the chemical, the one we mix, the one we use in bathing them, we now turn it inside here and then added 1 full cup. So this one is very effective now. I want to put 1 cup. I turn and put. That one I have. Now for 1. Put only 1. Only 1. Only 1. Don't say the machine they work, not let the water throw away. Some of the times, all these things they are a type of exercise. It's just you having fun and enjoying yourself. Are you seeing it? So we are just enjoying ourselves here. This sprayer is 30-liter sprayer. Yeah, that's that. Is it counting?
Yeah. somebody who like me.
Okay. You see? Your girlfriend. Yeah, check on that now. But you supposed to call your number now. Your own door off. Open this door, maybe you're for dry. That's where dog green now. They'll see two shop now. When I release the entire, made a shop for you. That's where green now. Oh yeah, Oga. Open that door, let them go out.
No, this might chop that one first.
Okay, they don't fit pass. Now here they pass. Small one will fit jump here.
Because I don't because of donkey.
Okay, they can pass it out. Oh yeah, carry machine come. Okay. Yeah.
Wallahi da an dauke min waya sai ka biya ni ba na ga maka kullu da ake son da kai kira. Ana dauke min waya za ka siya ba na ga maka ruhi dakin nan ba sai da zan ruhi kace min a kai ruhi. Kai.
What you say? Why do? What you do?
Nothing. I thought somebody go and carry my food.
Your phone, okay, for house.
Because I don't put key for house, you tell me say Makaliba. You come out, you know local.
I tell you some of them, if you jump that place, come out. None of you break this one come out. Some of them not if you come out from there. This one get below. In breast up big. What did they do? Why they can't step like that? I hope the gate not open no. When I close the gate. If gate open, they'll go come out. Oh yeah, who want follow me? I want move, so give me my shirt for that corner. Put this sprayer for motor. The fuel, you turn the fuel come out. See if I carry that one for. This water na bush here. All those donkeys, they chop all this corner, abi?
Huh?
They don't chop them.
They chop? Yeah.
They chop them. Even goats go avoid them, but those donkeys, they will chop them.
Go to chop them.
Go to chop the corn, abi? They chop them. This one breast big. What's it happen? Where do donkey now? They did the other side.
No.
Oh yeah, you arrange things more. Can't go. I want go. We'll get seminar today. What's the time? You not go join us?
For the seminar?
Uh-huh.